Welcome to the historic town of Thurmond, West Virginia. For a little history of Thurmond, West Virginia was a boom town back in the 1930s, 40s. They had at least 15 passenger trains pull into Thurmond every day. They did more revenue and had more trains pushing through here than big towns like Cincinnati, Richmond, Virginia, and Huntington, West Virginia. Now, for 35 years, getting into Thurmond, you could only do it by rail. Not until in the 30s did they decide to go ahead and put a road in. This here's the Thurmond station. It's still standing. All these buildings I'm going to show you were made by Jorge Rodriguez, Flrailroaddog on YouTube. Now you can buy his stuff off of his website. You can buy stuff off of eBay and Etsy. Please check out his channel. And the next building we're going to look at here is the Thurmond Post Office. These next three buildings are still standing also in Thurmond. Of course, the post office still is too. First, we got the Mank and Cox building. Then we got the Goodman Kincaid building. And then we got the First National Bank building. Back in the day, they held barbershops, of course, banks, dry goods, pharmacy, all different kind of things. This is a really nice building here built by George. It's Lafayette Hotel. He did a great job on it. Plus down here, the Armour Meat Company used to operate in Thurmond, West Virginia. Both these buildings belong to the Thurmond Meat Company. They were shipped out by rail. And now down here at the end of the line, we have the Thurmond Town Hall. Like I said, all these buildings were built by George. Please check them out. I'll try to slowly pan up through here so everybody can take a nice look at everything. Now, I do not know if Thurmond ever had a trolley pass through, but since this is a shelf layout, I'm using my bump and go trolley to travel on it. Well, I hope everybody liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Please go check George out if you're interested in any of this stuff. Plus, he makes a lot of other really nice items out there for you. Have a great day.